I wake up every day as flesh and bone.
Hey family, it's your girl Jay. I am doing a name tag. So I need to change my presser foot. I thought I'd come on and show y'all how I would do my own label. Should I say not name tag, but my label. And I need to use the B foot. So I went in my stash that came with my sewing machine, and I found the foot that said the letter B on it. So I'm putting that on my machine now. And I have white thread. I'm wondering if I should change it to purple so y'all can see it. Because y'all ain't going to be able to see it. Hold on a minute. So I'm going to put the purple in here. Okay, so now that I have it all set up with the purple thread so you can see it once it starts printing, we're going to go over here to the screen. And so far I've already put in the letter J, and then I'm going to need a space. Where that is, I don't know. Let's see. Nope. Okay, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to get the letter that I think I want. And then I'm going to press here. Wait, let me go back one and get it at the end, and then I'm gonna hit this button here to select it, and then I'm gonna okay, now I need to go over one more. How do I do that? Nope, nope, nope. Okay, I need the S. And so I can select this one. We're just going to do it like that. And then I need to go back and find the E. And select the E. And then I need to find the W. Oops. We're just going to keep it all together. And select the T. And then come back. Select the A. And then S. T. I. C. J Sewtastic. So there we have it. And let's put a little heart at the end. So let's find that. How do we find? Let me see. There we go. And we'll put that there. Okay, and then I guess I'll go back over here and press start. My needle down, okay, And then start. You speed it up so it'll go kind of fast. We ain't here all day. Ooh, I did something wrong, y'all, because it went off of the label. Oh, stop. I got it the wrong way. Okay, hold on. It was doing it, but I had it the wrong way. Put this down. Okay, trial and error, trial and error. So, hold on, y'all. Let me go get another piece of fabric. Hold on. Okay, I got a bigger piece of fabric, and I think I gotta have it this way, y'all. So, now how do I get back to the beginning if I need to start over again? Okay, so I just hit the back arrow, and now I'm going to put the needle down. And yeah, let's go from there and see what happens this time. So it's working, but I need to know how to put in the fabric. So it need to be a big wide piece. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay. We're going to try this one more time. Put it right there. The needle down. Start. Okay. As it puts it down, it's almost done. Oh, it was doing it 2 times. I don't need to do it 2 times. Let's see. So, there we have it. Let's see, y'all, what it look like. So, what I would do is cut this off. Okay, so there you have my name. Look at that, y'all. So, yeah, I can clean it up. Hold on.